Hey everyone, my name is Bree. I totally have on a shirt, and today I'm going to be washing my hair again with clarifying shampoo because as you all may know, I'm going to try to make it less blue so that I can make it purple. This is going to be the second clarifying shampoo session. I already had one, but I'm gonna go ahead and start it off outside the shower, and then when I get in the tub, I'm gonna make, or maybe I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start it off outside the shower, and then when I get in the tub, you'll be able to see once I get out the tub. And hopefully it will look even lighter, even greener. And I'll come back for that, but I'm gonna be curling my hair tonight. So you get to see, you get to be a part of that, and of course you get to be a part of the reveal in the morning. So let me go ahead and get in the tub so we can get this ball rolling, you know? Okay. Alright, so I don't know how well you guys can see, but my hand is definitely pulling out some blue. On my hand, the shampoo is definitely pulling out some blue dye. So I think this might actually work. I'm probably gonna go rinse this out now. Okay. I totally think it looks darker when it's wet. So, I mean, you're not going to be able to tell so much right now, but it was definitely coming out in the shampoo. The blue was. So, yeah, I think, you know, we just got to give it some time, you know what I'm saying? And I'm going to start rolling it though, spray some of my moisturizer on it, and I'll be right back.